Hello guys, welcome back. So now let's continue this customer applications, and here what we need to do, we will do like same usually we are doing in other project also. We will copy some files from the restaurant application and we will paste it here, and obviously we will change something. And as you know guys, we are developing three applications: one for customers, one for delivery guys, and one for restaurant owner who can sell food on this application. And all three images will be connected with each other, and also as well as we will develop admin panel also. So now in this video what we need to do, we have to copy some files from the restaurant application and we have to paste here. So let's go to the restaurants application. So on my desktop I have here, this is the restaurant application. Double click on it and now click on this lib, and here we have some screens we need to copy. So from here let's first global and then splash screen and this progress and loading and this main. Just copy all this global, loading and the main and progress and splash and as well as welcome also. So now copy 1 2 3 4 5 6 file we are copying: global, loading, main, progress, splash, welcome. Now come back to Render Studio and right click on this lib here, right click and paste and OK, and it will ask you main dot already exists, so just click on this override, and now this is our main screen. Obviously we have to do something here, so remove these two lines and also let's click on it and import global dot, and the error has gone. And let's splash screen also import this, click on it and now error has gone. Now come back to this splash screen and here just remove all these red lines as well as this one, and now here click on it, Firebase auth, import this global dot, and for now just comment this line, sorry, and this one also. Now come below and let's this, for now just comment this line text. So yeah, and come to the loading and here circular, click on it, import this and remove this, and now come to the welcome screen and here remove this Google font, and here also just remove this, just comment this. For now we will add dependency for Google later on, both text, this one also, and here also this one. So yeah, we have set up this. Now come to the here, this Android app build.gradle, double click on it and you will see this file here. So we have to change here the versions. So here remove this, make it 31, come below and here minimum SDK version 19, target version 31, and here after this we have to write multi dex enabled true. Make sure you must change all this because the latest Firebase support this version, and this version 19 and here this 31, these both. And after this version name just add this line multi-dex enabled true. So yeah, let's close it and file save all. So now we have set up this everything correctly. Now in the next video we will connect this project to the Firebase because we have initialized here Firebase. So until we will not connect our this project to the Firebase store, so this project cannot be run. I mean, we cannot test the application, it will show the error. So in the next video we'll connect this project to the Firebase. So see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.